welcome to our channel. In this video we will learn how to draw a joker with the help of the round thing. We have taken a sellotape, or else you can take any other thing which is round. Now it is completed. And here we are going to draw a mouse. So it is very easy to draw a mouse. Now we have drawn here the face, the flappy ears, and it is completed, right? So you can color it with your favorite color. If I would be there, I'll do the gray color. Here we will learn how to draw different types of trees. We have get bored drawing the same pattern trees in every scenery in our drawing book. So these are the very easy steps that you can draw different kinds of trees in different sceneries, or you can draw these trees in your drawing notebook. So here this is completed. Now we will learn how to draw different kinds of bird with 4 circles. So here we have drawn the first penguin, then we have drawn the hen, owl, and finally we have drawn a chick. So here we will learn how to draw 6 flowers, that is of different types of 6 flowers. We have learned how to draw a rose and a sunflower, which is very easy to draw, but here these are the 6 different flowers which you can try in your drawing notebook. Yes, so these are the 6 different flowers and you can color it with your favorite colors and it is completed. Now we will learn how to draw a beautiful hat. Hat, when it is wear, obviously when there is a lot of sun outside, you can wear a hat. Yes, but you can wear it as you wish. Now we will learn how to draw a tree, different types of trees. Yes, we have learned lot of trees, but you should know how to draw the different types of trees by the environment. Yes, so here we are done. In this video we will learn how to draw an ant. Ants are usually of 2 colors, that is a red and brown. Now we will learn how to draw a hippopotamus. Hippopotamus is a quiet, funny and a lazy creature. Now you can color it with purple or dark pink. Here we will draw a dragonfly. Dragonfly is an insect, a flying insect. Now we'll go for flowers. Flower is a very beautiful thing you can draw with your own creativity and color it also with your own creativity. Yes, you do not need any kind of help in the flowers. Now we'll go for a bee. What is a bee called? Yes, it is done. Now we'll go for a horse. Horse drawing like this is very easy. You just need to follow a step. It is done. Now we'll go for the grasshopper. It is always found in green grasses. Thank you for watching our video.